Simplify. 3k minus 2l divided by 10 plus fraction 2k minus 3l divided by 15. Solution. We have 3k minus 2l divided by 10 plus 2k minus 3l divided by 15. What's the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to determine the LCM of the denominators. Let's do that. LCM of denominators. We have 10 and we have 15. Now, what number will divide 10? And, okay, let's focus on 10 first. Using 2 to divide 10, what do we have? We have 10 divided by 2, 5. Now, 15 is not a multiple of 2, so 15 will still be here. Now, we look for a number that will divide both, that can divide 5 also, and also divide 15 because there is a common factor, which is 5. We can use 5 now. 5 divided by 5, we have 1. 15 divided by 5, we have 3. Now, for LCM, you must exhaust all numbers such that the last two columns here, at the end, we have 1, 1. So, in that case, we need to use this 3. If you use this 3, what do we have? 1 is not a multiple of 3, you still write 1. 3 divided by, this 3 divided by 3, what are we having? 1. Now, we're having 1 at the last row. So, in this case, we are good to go. Now, the LCM of denominators is going to be what? 2 times 5 times 3. What is 2 times 5? 10. 10 times 3, that is 30. So, we cannot come back to the main question. We have 30 here. In this case, 30 divided by 10, what do we have? 30 divided by 10, we have 3. Then 3 will multiply the first numerator, 3k minus 2l, plus 30 divided by this 15, the second denominator. 30 divided by 15, we have what? 2. 2 will also multiply the second numerator. So in this case, we are going to expand the brackets at the numerator. 3 times 3k, we have 9k. 3 times minus 2l, we have minus 6l. Plus 2 times 2k, what do we have? 4k. 2 times minus 3l, what are we having? Minus 6l. Then divided by 30. The next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms at the numerator, we have 9k and 4k, they are like terms. So we bring them together. 9k plus 4k. Then minus 6l and minus 6l. They are the same. So they are like terms. So in that case, we have minus 6l minus 6l divided by 30. So in this case, we have 9k plus 4k. What is that? 9 plus 4 is 13. So it means that 9k plus 4k will give us 13k. Minus 6 minus 6. You see, this is minus 6 plus minus 6. Now, let's consider 6 plus 6 normally. What is 6 plus 6? 12. So, minus 6 plus minus 6 will give us minus 12. When you have minus 6, it means minus 6 plus minus 6. And this will give us minus 12. So, here we are having minus 12L divided by 30. We now have a single fraction. So it means that the answer to this problem is 13k minus 12L divided by 30. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.